Good morning, people. This is Hemant Kumar, teacher of anthropology and political expert, and Kathavachak Hemant Kumar Ji Maharaj. First of all, I condemn the Australia incident in two father and son. They kill at least 42 people are injured, and at least 12 to 30 people are die in this terrorist activity. And those terrorists, their link also join in Pakistan. So only epic center of the terrorism all over the world, all over the world, the terrorism activity only involve their connection at least last they join in the Pakistan. They are the epic center. After independent 1947 in India and Pakistan, that time to till now, every stage, India condemn terrorism. India say कि yes, epic center of the terrorism in the Pakistan. But the all over the and so-called all over the big leader, they are every time say कि no, India and the Pakistan, they are together. At least religion is different, and there another difficulty, and their geographical boundary related issue. That region, the India and Pakistan, like going to terrorism, and every time India oppose the terrorism in the like for the like one type of the jealous. But in this time, each and every country, they are accepted कि yes, terrorism epic center is the Pakistan. You see in America, at least 11, their activity and terrorism, their link connected in the Pakistan. India many time, all the activity, this type of activity, all people are the Pakistani. If we Pakistani are not involved in directly, so they create one type of the mind wash system in the India. Some Muslim community, Islamic community. Recently, Delhi blast, you can easy to see the terrorism activity, and all the doctor is involved, and all doctor and all is the Muslim. So can you imagine this activity only doing the Islamic Majhab? Every people are asking, terrorism are did not any religion, terrorism are did not belong to any caste and community. So that time you go to the dafnana. So when time you praying the Quran, you praying the namaz. So those region, the people are accepted कि yes, Islamic is the majhab, one type of the, they are directly involved in the terrorism. I did not condemn each and every Muslim community are the involved in the terrorism, but yes, some Muslim community, their mindset is Kattarpanthi, like they go to the heaven, so they 72 feet of the Bahattar Hur, this type of thing, and that reason they are putted all the body of the bomb blast, and they going to self-destroy the any Hindu community and any Yahudi community. All over the world, they say कि Prime Minister of the Australia, you did not support the Muslim community. So only for the vote bank, Australia Prime Minister and Australia President, they support the Muslim community. And that is the happen. That time Israel Prime Minister, they written one letter कि you did not support the Muslim community directly or indirectly. Okay, hidden part you support, but you don't directly support the Muslim community for the Israeli neighbors, Philippines area, and they are directly support the Gaza, and that region in this time Yahudi community kill the two son and father. So that activity, Indian Muslim community did not oppose this thing. That time incident going on the Philippines, so Jai Philistine, this type of slogan are start the Indian community of Muslim. And in this Yehudi kill at least 14 to 16, 42, 47 people are Yehudi community are the injured. And those are innocent people. They are celebrating their Hanukkah festival. And another name, Hanukkah festival, they are celebrating, and they are innocent people, no any arms and ammunition, and they are celebrating happy moment. They celebrate. And this son and father, their name is the Sajid Akram and Naveen Akram, and they kill the at least 12 to 57 Yahudi community they kill. So that is the not a Indian problem. That is the not a India to Pakistan border issue that region terrorism are doing. And this type of activity are going on each and every time in India. But I see and I appeal to all the Muslim community, please directly and forcefully condemn to Islamic terrorism. And I see many time in the India that time terrorism activity going on. So our political party directly support the terrorism. Farooq Abdullah, Mahbuba Mufti, Pratap Gadi, Masood Azhar in the Congress party. And this type of opposition, their vote bank is the Muslim. So this is the big problem of our society. The change their mindset. Okay, you, what is reason? Those people are learn the Quran, Hadith, and after namaz, they are doing the terrorism activity and they kill the innocent Yahudi, innocent Hindu, and those area. And this is not done in this area. Pakistan is the Islamic country, okay? So they also kill in the Sikh community, also kill the Yahudi community, also kill the Pasmanda Musliman. Means also fight each other in the Pathan and non-Pathan. This type of activity. So these people are never silent in the any region. Their mindset are the very dirty. And in this area, the Sajid Akram and Nawad Akram, the kill the Yahudi community. So one another Muslim community, they are also study in the Quran, Hadith, and each and everything, and they are also catch their father, and they save at least 100 of the Yahudi community. So I don't totally blame to each of the Muslim community are this type of thing. No, some people are their mindset are the Bahattar Hur, they are killed and they study the Quran and Hadith in the negative way. That reason this type of activity. And those people are study in Quran and Hadith in the positive way. So I forget their name. All this type of name, those people are saved. President of Donald Trump also respect and also great salute for the those all people. Those people are saved the at least 100 Yahudi community and they catch their father, this terrorist. So this is the thing, and I totally condemn the Australia Sydney incident 14 December 2025. So in this time, I request and our Prime Minister of Narendra Modi, each and every stage, they say ki okay, you together all over the world people, you sit together and a strict action the terrorism activity in the all over the world. So this is the good thing. Each people are accept the Islamic terrorism and take the strict action, and this is the very good decision. And in this area, Britain home minister are doing very well. Those Muslim community doing this type of activity, and they are also Muslim. Britain home minister are Muslim, but they strictly established one rule कि those Muslim community die in Britain. So I did not provide the what I say, I forget this name, Kabristan. So they did not provide any of the land. Why? Because only die purpose, one Muslim community are die. So at least 1 kilometer occupied the land in Britain land, and they are putted the die people. And this type of not ki, okay, one area allocated at least 1 kilometer, so that's it. No, they are again created. One is the Pathani Kabristan, second is the another community Pasmanda, second is the another different community, and they are created one type of Kabristan. So this type of activity doing, so at least whole the Britain are covered in the Kabristan. And same situation in the India, secular community. So in this time, at least all over the world, largest land of the worked board in the Muslim community, and those area they created whole the village, one like a Kabristan. So that is the thing. I totally condemn the Australia incident, Sydney incident. So I appeal their God, they take care her feet, and they provide the heaven of the Yehudi community. I behind the all the Hindu community and the India in the Yehudi community. I support the every time in the innocent people. Those people are innocent and kill and die the terrorism activity. So thank you so much, people, watching this video. You have look like a good, so you can subscribe, comment, and like my YouTube channel. So thank you so much, the all people.